Hi everyone, I'm Karen from Charming Bird Creations, and today I'm going to be making a fall floral deco mesh wreath using this sign that I got from Hobby Lobby. I have 3 different colors of 10-inch deco mesh that I'm going to be cutting into 20-inch lengths for the cruffles. I have a variety of 1.5 and 2.5-inch wired ribbon that I'm going to be using for the bow and for the ribbon tails. The ribbon tails, I'm going to be cutting those into 12-inch lengths. I got this really cute fall pumpkin from the At Home store. I have a variety of fall florals that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to be adding raffia to this design as well. And all of that is going to go onto a 15-inch work wreath form. Some other supplies that you're going to need are a hot glue gun. You're going to need some staples, a wire cutter, some scissors. I'm going to be using a rotary cutter. I'm going to need some pipe cleaners, 22 gauge wire, and I'm going to be using Probow the Hand to make my bow. Any questions that you have on anything that I do today, you can leave me a message in the comments and I will get you an answer. The item that I am making today will be available for sale in my Etsy store, and I will leave a link for that as well as the complete supply list in the description below of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow Charming Bird Creations on Facebook, Instagram, and on Pinterest. So let's go ahead and get started.